What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I last put out a video regarding the Jetta, which is over here. So the back over here. So I thought I'll make a next video, and this one's gonna be a pretty good one. I actually have two videos coming out. First one I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna show you. Okay, so the first video I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how to deep clean the interior of a Volkswagen. This one doesn't have the leather seats, it's the cloth, and pretty much it's messy. I live a busy life, so I'm gonna show you how to actually get all of this cleaned out. I actually got the Vista back. I'm showing you in a while how to deep extract and extract all of this from the car seat. So first thing first, we're gonna try to get all this stuff out. I'm gonna take out the seats and then extract it and hopefully get a good video for you guys, so stay tuned. And we pretty much got most of the stuff out because we're gonna remove the seats. And the reason I'm removing the seats is because, as you can see, there's some stuff in between here, and I pretty want to get this car clean. It was a used car, so I'm trying to get clean as possible and show you how to clean your interior. So first thing first, before you remove your seats, it has an airbag system. You want to disconnect the negative terminal on your battery, as this will help in case it's got the airbags on and deployed any airbags. So now we got the battery disconnected, we're going to get out the bolts out the seats. This is one. Okay guys, I see we got the seats out. Took me some while, but we got it out, so I'm going to take it out so we can extract it out, because we're going to soak this and we don't get too much water inside the car, and also get the carpet. As you can see, this is the reason why I took out the seats, so I could get access to the stuff that was in here. Pretty gross. So yeah. So okay guys, we got both the seats out, and this is what was under it. I'm gonna leave the back seat in because it's pretty easy to move, but I cleaned already, so it's kind of like clean. Now I'm gonna proceed to vacuuming. Okay guys, so definitely moving the seat was definitely a good idea. Amount of trash and debris I actually found under the seats, never could have got it with the vacuum. And someone could guess how much coins I actually got and put it down in the comments. That'd be great, because there were a lot. Okay guys, so now I'm using my shop vac to actually begin the vacuum process, as to help make it a little easier when I come to use the Vista. I'm making sure I'm getting all the nooks and crannies, because there were a lot of stuff mixing on the seats. I'm also going to get every crack in the back seat as well. It's cleaned up. See what just a vacuum would have done. And now you can see, as we're going to use our extractor machine, how everything's going to look different. And today we'll be using our Vista Spot Clean Pro Professional. I got this off Amazon. I can also leave the link in the description. Trust me, if you're into looking like a carpet cleaner stuff, this is definitely the most affordable for just consumer purposes. But I'm going to be using this to extract our seats. I'm going to show you the filth that is actually behind the seat and how much this can actually collect. So in the water compartment, I'll just be using plain hot water. And then I'll be using my all-purpose cleaner diluted 10:1 or 5:1 in this pressure. I'm going to spray it down, then use my drill brush attachment and then extract it. So Hey guys, for this process I'm using my pond spray with my all-purpose cleaner dialed 10:1, and then I'm gonna come with my drill brush attachment, and then I'm gonna come and pan heat with that bristle. And if you guys see the amount of filth and dirt that I actually collected from the bristle, you'll be amazed. Okay, for the backrest I'm using the same process, my all-purpose cleaner. Then I'm gonna come with the drill brush attachment and pan heat the bristle. And you guys see the amount of filth the bristle actually collected, you guys will be astonished. And wait till the end and actually see the results. Hey guys, I'm trying to figure out if I'm the only one who actually find this whole process relaxing. Put it in the comments and let me know what you guys think, because just watching the bristle is actually therapeutic to me. So put it in the comments and let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, not sure if you can see it properly, but this is what came from that one car seat. It didn't look dirty, but definitely was. And that's just filthy. I'm gonna pour it out for you guys to see how dirty this car seat actually was and how much we actually got through. Then I'm gonna do it more. Try to get this out. See, but wow, that's how dirty it was. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the first one I did. It looks pretty clean. You see the water, all this came from this. So I'm gonna put this one to dry. I'm gonna tack this one over here and do the same process. Hey guys, so for the carpets, interior carpets within the car, I'm using the same process. Coming with my sprayer, with my all-purpose cleaner dialed 10:1. I'm gonna follow up with my drill brush attachment and then hit it with the bristle. I'm gonna use the bristle till I see the water actually flowing clear through the tube, and that means it's actually clean. So moving on to the center console side, this is one of the actual reasons I actually removed the seat, to ensure that I got every single part of this car clean. And definitely, by the look of this video, it's definitely dirty. Moving on to the back part of the car, it's pretty much using the same process all throughout the car. All-purpose cleaner, drill brush attachment, and heating up the bristle. Yeah, the back seat was kind of dirty compared to the front. This is our bucket dump from the carpet and the floor, from the front and the back seat, and look at it, if you can see it clearly, but it's pretty gross. Look at this, pretty much black, and this all came from the floor. So now that we're done with the interior, pretty much it's clean and it smells great, better than before. Except it's like a fall cigarette smell in here, but now it's gone. Now we're going to spray this down and do the same procedure as we did to the front. So hey guys, this is our next dump. This is actually from the driver's side of the car, and I actually did the floors, and this is what came out. And, I'm not sure you can see it properly, but this is gross. So in the dump, guys, so we're done, and this is our last set. I got it to dry, kind of dried it a little bit. This looks way better than before. Let me show you this. Dirty as hell. And I'm going to show you the grand finale of Bucket Pool. I want to see how it goes. As you can see, look at that. All that was from inside the car. That's pretty gross. Last call. So hey guys, pretty much this is the clean inside. I'll show you from the back. That's how it looks from the back, and it looks amazing compared to how it was before. You can see how clean this is right now. And now I'm gonna use this clean the dashboard and the doors and use and protect it afterwards. Today I'm going to use my microfiber towels. I got two of them, one wet one and one dry one. Then I'm going to use this interior cleaner to actually get about it. Applying the cleaner. Sorry about the light, but shine it. I'm going to use this Meguiar's Superior Shine High Glass Protectant. And same process, use a microfiber towel. And you can either spray it on the towel or just get it on to the car. So moving on to the carpets wasn't actually that dirty as I previously pressure washed them a couple of days ago before this. However, the Bissell was still able to get some dirt lift out from these carpets and make these carpets look a little better than it was actually before. So hey guys, this is the final product. I can tell you this car looks and smells amazing, almost looks like a brand new car. And I can tell you the Bissell definitely did a good job to get all the dirt lifted off from all the chairs and all the carpets. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.